Hello everyone and welcome to a Visual Basic exe file tutorial. And so today I'm going to show you how to make like a launcher for maybe a game or some files that you want to make a launcher for. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up Visual Basic. I'm using 2010 and anyways you're going to go to new project, Windows Phone application. I'm just going to name this my new launcher. Okay, so now it's going to create the file. And so you can use this for any file that you want. You just have to follow the code. You can kind of do whatever you want as long as you keep the code the same, unless areas where it can be changed. So you can expand this out how big you want. I'm just going to click on the form, and it's going to come up, should come up with a bunch of different options. Here we go. So the text will change to the title of the page. So I'm going to name this to launcher, and we'll change it. Now for the icon, you don't have to show the icon. You can turn icon off, but you can change the icon as well. So let's see, I'm gonna scroll down. I'll just make it something random. I'll make it this. Okay. Anyway, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Toolbox and I'm gonna insert a button. I don't want to do that. Okay, I'm gonna make a button. And I'm going to, the text on the button is going to be play. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the text size because the text is quite small for the button. So what I can do is I can go to font and click on this little dot section. And this is going to bring up a menu where I can change the font type and everything. So I'm going to change this to one that's easier to see the change. I'm going to change the text to 24. There we go. So I'm going to do all of the coding afterwards. So now I'm going to insert a picture. So we're going to use a picture box. You see the picture boxes right here. So what I'm going to do. Oh, what's happening here? I do not want text. I don't want code. Okay. So I'm going to go on error image, import. And I'm going to select a random image just because I don't have many. I'm going to use one for my game. If I can find it. Okay, it's in here. You can select any image. It has to be GIF, JPEG. You get the idea. So I'm going to insert this. Okay. So I think that's so that's going to be the error image. And then I'm going to import an actual picture for it. So I'm going to select my picture, open it. Okay, cool. Now I'm just going to resize this because it probably will not come out perfectly. You'll need a little bit of resizing. But there we go. That's good enough. So again, I'm going to keep this kind of basic, but you can go all the way out on this. So I'm going to find a text box. I need a label as well. A text box and a label. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a label. Darn it, that wasn't supposed to happen. Anyways, I'm going to use the label, and I'm going to, the text on the label, I'm going to go into code here. So I'm kind of just tired and stuff. But I'm going to use username. And I'm going to keep it as that. And this is going to be their username. So now they can enter in a username. So I would just run this quickly. You can't do anything with the buttons yet, which I'm going to do that next, and that'll be the last part, but I can enter in a username. And if I try to click play, it won't work. Anyways, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on this, and I'm going to type in the code process, and I need a name for a program. I already have one. Process. I kind of forgot how to spell process there for a second. Process. That's how you spell it. That's start. Dot start. And then parenthesis. And then whatever you call those quotes. I'm gonna name this game.exe. And so you may say, well, the program's not actually gonna run because I can't find this, and you're right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to debug, build my new launcher, and it's gonna build it. Build started, build succeeded. So to find it, I'm just going to go to File, Save As, copy this, and This is how I normally would find. I'm sure there's a more efficient way. That's how I do it. So now I'm going to enter this in and just delete form 1. So now watch me here. So I'm going to go to bin, release, and there should be an exe program called application with your program's name. Should have that icon. Just copy that and put it wherever the game is. So from our, I need to name this game to exe. So now if I go back to my flash drive, I need an exe file, so I'll use this one. Game, exe. I will open up the launcher. You don't have to enter a username, but what you can do, if it fits you more, you could just have a username already entered in. So I could do like default. And then yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna enter a username and then click play. It will launch my game for me. So that's a pretty efficient way to do it. Of course, you can add in a bunch of other things. This code works for like basically everything. So thanks for watching, and I will see you later.